Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. You have to install it. Yeah, but I already installed it, so I just open, and here you can see my posts. So if you don't have time, you just keep it on schedule post on Facebook. You can set the time, and to post it you just click on here, the top bottom right, just click on it and you choose you post as a video, photo or text, or you can live. So you're gonna post for photo. I'm gonna select it for this one. Next, and here you can type the title. I don't need title. Just go next, and right here publishing option, you have to click on it and you choose schedule. Right, so today I'm gonna post this photo today at 8 p.m. I'm gonna post 8:30 p.m. and click OK, and then just click on back button, then publish. Okay, alright, so your post scheduled successfully. So this post is automatically, even you don't have internet connection, you still post it because you already upload and store on the Facebook servers, right? So at this time today 8:30 p.m. you're gonna post automatically. Alright, so hope you guys love this video and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.